Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem code in Dramabox. Alright, if you haven't yet, just go ahead and download it on your respective Play Store or App Store. Now once you have the app, just go ahead and open it. Alright, now once you're in here, you're going to want to go to your profile right here at the bottom right and make sure to log in. Alright, once logged in, you're going to want to tap on this gift section right here. Alright, and input your code right here. Let's say for example, you have put your code, just hit on redeem, and you'd be good to go. Important tips here: the redemption code can only be used to redeem free rewards and cannot be used to redeem coins or memberships. The same code can only be used once per account. Each code has a validity period and can only be redeemed within this period. Each code has a maximum number of users who can redeem. Once the limit is reached, it can no longer be redeemed. And that is it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.